Namaste. So today's our topic is rural marketing. So let's start from the term rural marketing used to be an umbrella term for the people who deals with the rural people in one way or the other. It got a separate meaning and importance after the economic revaluation in year 1990. Rural market is defined as managing all activities involving in assessing, stimulating and conveying the purchasing power of the rural customer into effective demand for specific product and services and moving them to the people in rural area to create satisfaction and a better standard of living and thus achieve organizational objective. There are two way of marketing process. First is urban to rural. In this, major part of rural marketing includes transaction of urban marketers who sell their goods and services in rural area. Pesticides, fertilizer, FMCG product, tractors, bicycle, and medicine, finished product, etc. And rural to urban are basically fall under agriculture marketing. A rural product seeking to sell his product in urban market like seeds, raw materials like herb, agriculture product, and medicinal plants. Next, ruler to ruler, including the activity that take place between two villagers in close proximity to each other like agriculture tool, handicraft, dresses, material, woodlock cart, all these things. It is more developmental than transactional as its nature is more social, culture and economic as compared to the later commercial nature. The word ruler is so much associated with the agriculture and farmer that rural marketing is often confused with the agriculture marketing, but it should not be also as the lateral is only part of the rural marketing. So you can see this evaluation of phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. So let's see the characteristic. Large population according to 201 since rural population constituent about 70% of 73% of the Indian population. Then occupational pattern. Agriculture and related activity as a major source of income for majority of the rural population. More than 60% of the rural income is from agriculture. In the event of crop failure, the income of rural masses is directly affected. Large, diverse and scattered market. Though large, the rural market is geographically scattered. There may be less number of shops available to the market product. Diverse and heterogeneous market in terms of religious, social and cultural factor. About 700 million Indians live in 638 365 villages across India. Social economic position. Majority of rural people have low purchasing power and per capita income. More than 60% are having income less than 25,000 rupees. About 14% have income greater than 50,000 rupees. Low disposable income, low literacy level. It is estimated that the rural India has a literacy level of 36% as compared to 62% in the urban area. Low standard of living, low income, low purchasing power, overall social and economic background less backwardness lead to low standard of living. In general, a rural customer spend less or no food items. Inadequate infrastructure facility like cemented road, warehouse, communication system are inadequate in the rural area. About 20% of the 6 lakh villages are without telephone facility even today. So Traditional outlook. Villagers develop slowly and have a traditional outlook. They accept changes gradually. Distance villages near to town have element of the urban life. Interior villages are more traditional. Medical facility are quite inadequate and the villagers have to travel long distance for getting the medical facility. Rural customer classification. Rural customers are classified into the following group based on their economic status. The affluent group, they are cash rich farmer, very few in number. The middle class of the largest segment of the manufacturing good, it is fast expanding. The poor, the consequent a huge segment, purchasing power is less but strength is more. They receive grant from the government and reap the benefit of such schemes and may move towards the middle class. The so let's see the characteristic. The rural customer have a very high in involvement involvement in the many product purchases. He purchase product more of 10, usually in small quantity. He is very quality conscious, but value for money is a prime important. He is brand loyal. Once loyalty form is difficult to dislodge. So hope you will understand this. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.